So Indian military is going to go for its biggest reform ever, and that is theaterization or theater commands. So what is theater command? Well, for that you need to understand the word theater. What is theater of war? Simply put, theater of war is a particular geographical region where war would happen. So for example, if tomorrow India and China go to war, well, they will fight in two places, Himalayan region and the Indian Ocean region. Both these places are different theaters of war. Indian Ocean theater of war, Himalayan theater of war. You understand now? Now, every theater of war has different requirements. They require different people, different specialists, different military equipment, and even different strategy. And if India wants to be a real military power, it needs to create this specialization in each theater of war in which it might fight a war in future. And that is why we are proposing this concept of theater commands. You see, if tomorrow India and China go to war in Himalayan region, well, we need a proper strategy for Himalayan region, proper military equipment for Himalayan region. Plus, all three services have to cooperate and coordinate. Army, Air Force, Navy, they all have to coordinate, right? But currently, well, all three services function independently. They have their own independent command and control structure. An army colonel cannot order a group captain in the Air Force to fly a jet and bomb a particular area. He can't do that because they have different command and control structures. What if, especially for the Himalayan region, we have a unified command and control structure? Okay, an army general can be the commander, vice air chief can be his subordinate, and so on and so forth. If we'll have a unified command and control structure, the coordination between the three services for that particular theater will be top notch. And this is the idea behind theater commands. Now, we currently have two joint commands, okay, tri-services joint commands. One is Strategic Forces Command, which handles all our nuclear assets. And we have one theater, unified theater command, and that is called Andaman and Nicobar Command, where all three services combine their efforts and have a unified command and control structure. But we need other theater commands as well, because we are going to fight a war on the Western Front, we might on the eastern border in the Himalayan region. So we need theater commands for all theaters of war. And that's what Indian military is pushing at.